Hi everyone. Today we are gonna be playing Farm Life, and this is a add-on, and we got some starter things in this chest. Let me just open it. Okay, so we've got some coffee, we've got some strawberries, we got some, yeah, we got a lot of food. And so as you can see, there are a lot of machineries and stuff around here, and that's a car and a lot of things that we need to connect with other tractors, like the large tractor and the old tractor. And yeah, we are just going to be playing here. So we are just gonna be going to that farm over there, and so there are bananas and corn, and there's another new machinery that we can check out. And oh, what hit me? Oh, mice. We can get rid of them later. They'll cause quite a bit of trouble. So we can get some corn and some corn seeds and some strawberry seeds, and those are just starter seeds that the chest will give you. And so this is the combine harvester. It lets you harvest plants, and so that and now I'm harvesting bananas. Oh, I'm at, okay. I need to get back in, and we can just keep on harvesting. So our main goal today is to get some more money and to upgrade this farm, and to get lots and lots of food. So yeah, that will be our goal today, and let's get started. So we can open this machine, and so we can get all our stuff, like our bananas and our banana seeds, and all the things that we have harvested goes back to us. And so there are some seeds that are very rich and some that are just okay. So that will be our house. And so if we come over here, we can come to James the guide, and it says, hey, are you new around here? Do you want to help plow some fields? Attach the plow attachment to the tractor by driving into it. So yeah, we will just grab our tractor, and we will just drive into that machine right there, because it can't run by itself, so we have to attach it. And so now I have it attached, and we can just get back to farmland. And so the tractor is kind of overpowered because it gives seeds, and because it smashes the seeds, and it also smashes all the tree leaves, which can give us saplings so we can plant trees. And so now we will be getting back to our farm, and we can just start plowing. So we just have to press spacebar, and there will be this blue thingy. And if you want to learn how to get this and how to use all the machines, then I'll have another video that can teach you. So this is another machine. It's called the old tractor sprayer. So it sprays the land. So it sprays the land, and now we have the land all sprayed. And so once we finish spraying the land, then we can start planting our seeds on this land. We have to wet the land first so that we can plant it with our machineries. And yeah, so now we're gonna be grabbing our tractor, and we are gonna be attaching our tractor to this machine that needs our help to plant things, I guess. Oh my, why is that mice there? I don't know why, but it's attached. So now we can just drive to the fields and let's test this out. So I think I have to load the corn seeds into this thing. Wait, it's not loading. Wait, I think I need to grab another machine. Wait, hold on a second. I need to remove my attachment. Okay, now we have our tractor ready, and so now we can just plant our crops. And it's so amazing to see like the crops like planting so fast, and it is just so satisfying to look at it. And this is literally so fast. Literally, I'm planting so fast, and the crops are already starting to grow. The Minecraft crops are like super slow. They just don't grow. Like you need like a lot of days till it grows, or you can just use bone meal. But for this one, I don't think bone meal is allowed. I'm not sure, and I'm just gonna be filling up this whole area with corn seeds because I need to sell that in Sunshine Market, and that's our goal today, to get a lot of money. And yeah, we are just gonna keep planting, and we'll just be here using a tractor. It's already starting to grow so fast. Literally, I'm planting a lot of seeds in 1 second. The planting way is so fast for this. So let's see. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish planting this field, and when I finish that, I'll just sell it for some money. And yeah, so now I'm just gonna get off my vehicle, and I think I probably have to wait for this to grow. I'm not sure because it's not growing too fast. I mean, it's already growing very fast, but it's not fast enough. So yeah, I think we'll just fill up some holes that we haven't filled. And so now we did all of that. The corn is growing so rapidly, and so now we have a lot of corn. We got a wooden sword and a pickaxe, and so now we can kill these mice. What is he doing? He was just running around in circles like he was crazy. So now I think it's ready to use the combine harvester. So we lowered that down. You just have to press the space bar. And so now we have finished combining the crops, which basically gave us a lot of corn. And so now we just have to repeat the same thing over and over again. I think today let's just get some basic materials from the Sunshine Town place, and I'm just gonna kill that zombie because I have a sword. So yeah, let's just get to the town, and as you can see, we can buy a lot of stuff and sell a lot of stuff. So I'm just gonna be trading, and it's kind of a little bit slow, but it's okay. I'm just gonna make some basic trades, like for this cowboy, and the other owners. So yeah, just gonna be doing some trading.
Forgotten romantic all my life 내 주위는 autumn lovely day 내 눈 속에 비친 arrows
I sell, turn me up, nigga.
다시 crying in my room 숨기고 싶어 But still I want more I never second chance again 날 믿은 내가 정말 stupid 오해줄게 숨겨왔던 love is it real Can't believe so I give a second chance again 날 믿은 내가 정말 stupid 오해줄게 숨겨왔던
so now I just filled the land with place to grow crops, and now I'm wetting the land to make it possible to grow crops. So we basically just wet the land, and now we can grow crops. And yeah, okay, we grown all our crops, and we are ready for a new season for selling. And yeah, it's going pretty well, and we'll just continue with these steps on, and I'm just gonna use some corn seeds just to put on some things that I haven't put on, like for example the things that the tractor missed. So I can basically just keep on repeating that process. It's not that hard. Well, we have a lot to clear out. So as you can see in this combine harvester. So now I'm just gonna keep on repeating my process of planting and harvesting and planting and harvesting and making my ground bigger. Just like I'm just gonna do some basic work. So I just basically kind of covered the ground, and now I'm just gonna cover like those small patches with like the machine that can let me plant. So now I'm ready to plant, and I saved up a middle area for my vehicles. So yeah. And as I said, I'm just gonna keep on repeating the process. So good night. We are now at Sunshine Town, and I am now gonna do more trades again because like yeah, I have to make a lot of money. And let's just see. Oh, we can't trade corn anymore. That's bad. I'm sure, I think I can figure something out. I'm just gonna maybe get to like other places and see if there's any nice people who wants to trade with me. And so now I'm just going in to trade. And so we are back at our farm, and we I think this is pretty much it. We still have a lot to cover, but let me know if you guys like this. I know I don't have that much subscribers now, but like later, I hope so. And by the way, please like and subscribe. Bye.